How to use ChatGPT to choose your new favorite outfit. Choosing a new favorite outfit can be a fun and exciting process. Here are some steps you can follow to help you choose your new favorite outfit. 1. Determine the occasion. Think about where you will be wearing your new outfit. Is it for a casual day out with friends, a date night, a job interview, or a formal event? Knowing the occasion can help you determine what kind of outfit to look for. 2. Consider your personal style. Take a moment to reflect on your personal style. Do you like to wear bold prints or more muted colors? Are you more comfortable in loose, flowy clothing or more form-fitting pieces? Knowing your personal style can help you narrow down your options. 3. Think about your body type. Consider your body type when choosing an outfit. Do you have an hourglass figure, or are you more of an apple or pear shape? Knowing what styles flatter your body type can help you choose an outfit that makes you feel confident and comfortable. 4. Browse online or in-store. Once you have a good idea of what you're looking for, start browsing online or in-store for options. Look for pieces that fit your personal style and flatter your body type. 5. Try on different options. Don't be afraid to try on different outfits to see what works best for you. You may be surprised by what you end up liking. 6. Accessorize. Once you've chosen your outfit, consider accessorizing with jewelry, a belt, a scarf, or other accessories to complete your look. Finally, wear it with confidence. The most important part of any outfit is how you feel wearing it. Wear your new outfit with confidence, and you're sure to make a great impression. Here are some reputable sources that you can use to find outfit inspiration and fashion advice. 1. Vogue. Vogue is a highly respected fashion magazine that covers the latest trends in fashion, beauty, and culture. 2. Harper's Bazaar. Harper's Bazaar is another well-known fashion magazine that provides fashion advice, beauty tips, and lifestyle content. 3. InStyle. InStyle is a fashion and beauty magazine that offers fashion advice, celebrity style inspiration, and beauty tips. 4. Who What Wear. Who What Wear is a fashion website that provides fashion news, trends, and style advice. 5. Refinery 29. Refinery 29 is a lifestyle website that covers fashion, beauty, wellness, and entertainment. 6. Glamour. Glamour is a fashion and beauty magazine that provides fashion advice, beauty tips, and celebrity news. 7. Elle. Elle is a fashion magazine that covers fashion, beauty, and lifestyle topics. These sources can provide you with a wealth of information and inspiration when it comes to choosing your new favorite outfit.